let's get my nugget out. And now I've got to be very gentle with it. Now this glass, it's cold, so if I put it near the deep fryer, it'll explode. So I'm gonna have to transport it to something. So I'll be right back. We're gonna have to use some desperate measures. So I don't want this to break right now.
Please don't crumble, crumble, crumble. Oh gosh.
Alright. Now let's bring it towards the deep fryer.
It'll explode, you said.
No, the cold glass.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna have to get the same tools, these two. You can use anything, but you really need to make sure it's stable. And please, someone needs to do one of my DIYs, please. And tell me which one you're gonna do in the comments below if you are gonna do one.
Oh no! Character card, right here.
But the lid is closed.
Oh yeah. Gonna open this up. Okay. I gotta. You gotta keep on the sunny side of life, people. Okay, Cameron, can you pull the napkin?
Alright, pull it. Here we go.
Okay, let's hope that this will not crumble apart. Okay. We're at the final process.
Yep. Here's Miss Pris. She's asleep.
Phil, Arthur.
Yeah.
She falls asleep. Everyone loves her. Yep.
Are you gonna get some Digimon cards or Pokemon cards out there? Ready? Alright, let's check it.
Nope. The nugget is boiling though.
Chicken nugget.
Oh, chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
Let's check it out. We love all your guys' comments too. I love the positivity and can't wait for your guys' comments on this video. Comment down below. Everybody who watches it, please comment down below.
And hold the camera. And make sure to subscribe to Frederick's, myself, Frederick Greer. So give us a shout out if you have any friends. Tell them everything about us, okay? So yeah.
Okay, let's check it. It's getting kind of crispy. Oh yeah, it's getting a little crispy. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. I'm just gonna flip it over.
Looks so delicious.
Yeah, it's got some nice brown crumbs. I'm sorry about the lighting if you guys can't really see it.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, you guys can see it now.
There
It smells like a wonton and egg roll mixed together.
Wonton
Smells
egg
like that.
roll. It's floating.
Yeah. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright guys, for this nugget, I'm going to use this good detailed plate. Got it from my grandma. Oops.
It's okay, Philip, Arthur. Okay, fine.
Oh, trash can's right there. What am I doing, Arthur? Really, Arthur?
Wash your hands.
Have you guys heard? Oh, everybody's heard. Trump!
Smells like KFC.
Me and my friend.
It smells like KFC.
Smells like onion dip.
Smell the
It
chicken
smells like
nugget.
wontons and egg rolls mixed together with wonton dip.
Man, look at that.
It smells fantastic.
Look at that.
my dad.
I'm being.
It's having a fit. Okay, it's been cooking for a little bit, but I want to wait a little bit more. Because my oven is preoccupied right now, so I'm going to have to deep fry it extra. Guys, look at this crisp. Don't you guys wish you could eat it right now? And it smells like ranch dip, because the Japanese style breadcrumbs. At first I was worried about how it's gonna taste. I think it's gonna taste delicious. Okay. I don't know what to do actually, because the videos that I watched, they had to use the oven after they was done, but the oven's actually, I think on the second one they didn't use the oven, but I'm just thinking. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the nugget out. Oh my beans.
Careful, Arthur. Look at
Looks like
that.
a giant bubble.
Holy heck. You can turn it off now. You can turn it off right out there.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Stay back, Philip. Philip.
All right, guys, let's get some cinematics. Now for the cut.
Cut.
Oh, that's a lot of crunch.
Oh. Look at the inside.
No red meat.
Looks so good.
Let me get some ketchup out. Oh, let me shake it.
I'll do it
Shake
too
it
much.
up.
It's gonna ruin it.
Okay, let's get a piece. Julie needs to get a little.
Oh.
It's hot.
Julie, stop it. Julie, stop. Sorry, there was a disturbance. My sister.
Go down here.
I'm hungry. Okay, Jubilee, I want to know what you think about this taste. How good is it? Let me take a bite. Okay, Jubilee, that's your serving, because Mom said everybody gets a bite. Get out. Go. Go one more. Mom said. One more. She doesn't get any more.
We need to make like.
Look at that crust.
We need to
everybody.
get more.
Look at that.
Yep. Get a piece.
Let's get a piece off.
I never.
Okay, you're on. Let's just get this little piece, like a pop, like a chicken pop. Okay.
Okay.
Taste test. I need everybody to see my reaction.
Crunchy. Sounds crunchy. What do you think?
This is so good. This is really good. Everybody needs to try this.
Mommy, Jenna, out there. She's coming to get some more.
This is really good, everybody. Okay.
Stop bouncing me.
Okay. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Hey.
I want to know what DIY. I want to know what DIY you're gonna do. If you guys are gonna do any of my DIYs. So comment down below what you guys are gonna do.
Successful.
Everybody, please comment. And leave a like if you like chicken nuggets. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!